Good morning students. Beta, today I am going to start chapter 11 and that is area of plane figures. In this 11.1 I have to tell some facts are there, that is also given in the book. Area of square is equal to side square, you know very well, and area of right angle triangle is half into base into height, and area of parallelogram is base into height. Area of circle is pi r square. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So, beta, now short answer question. Question number 2. If a triangle and a parallelogram have the same dimension of base and height, what is the ratio of the area of triangle to the area of parallelogram? Beta, dimensions of base and height are same. Question number 2, that is area of triangle is what? Is equal to half into base into height, and area of parallelogram is what? You know very well, that is base into height. What is the ratio? Ratio is what? Half into BH upon BH, that is what? 1 by 2, 1:2. This is the answer. So in this way, beta, you can calculate the area of triangle and area of. So beta, in this way, if you want to calculate the perimeter of any figure, then what is the perimeter? As in previous classes also, you know कि perimeter is the total length of boundary. So some questions are given, figures are given कि find the perimeter. In that figure, you just calculate the total length of boundary, just like question number 3 and 4. Now I want to tell you the question number 5. 5 is what? Ki find the area of the given figure, and figure is this. This figure is given. So what is it? This is 8 centimeter AB, CDE, AB, C, D and E. C is this. C, D and E. So between this it is 15 centimeter. This one is 8 centimeter. This one is also 15 centimeter, and this is not given. So join CE. Now what is this? This is also 8 centimeter. By symmetry also this is a rectangle, and CD is what? 6 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, that is 10 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, this side is 10. So area of figure is what? Area of triangle, area of rectangle, that is 8 into 15 plus area of triangle half into base into height. No need of this, इसकी ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. Half into base into height. So you can calculate 120 plus 2 3 is 6, 8 3 is 24. This much centimeter square. That is what? 144 centimeter square. So in this way, this is what? This is question number 5. So you can complete it. Now question number 7, beta. In this question, size of a handkerchief is given 40 centimeter into 15 centimeter. This is length, this is breadth. Its shape is rectangular. So size of hanky is this given. Then area of hanky is what? 15 into 40. That is 15 for the 60. What it should be it? It is 600. By mistaken I write here 200. 600. And then it is given that 600, but all the hankies, 2000 hankies are there. So area of one hanky is 600 centimeter square, then area of 2000 hanky is this one, 2000 into 600 centimeter square. Now it is given that find the area in meter square. So how can you change the centimeter square into meter square? But centimeter, in 1 centimeter, you know very well, 100 meter are there, so divide by 100, but it is square, so 100 square, I mean 200s are required, so it is what, 120 meter square. Now a requirement of cloth, so therefore area of cloth for hankies, area of cloth what should be, how much cloth is required, 120 meter square, and length is given. In this, the length of cloth, width of cloth is given and length is required. Width of cloth is given 20 meter, find the length of cloth. So length into breadth is equal to 120, put the value of width, this is 20, L into 20 is equal to 120. Then how much length is required? 2 6 12, 0, 6 meter. तो क्वेश्चन था ये कि if size of one hanky is given, then how much cloth is, how much long cloth, what is the length of cloth is required, whose width is 20 meter. So find the length of that cloth. If 2000 handkerchief you want to make, so in this way you can find the total area of 2000 handkerchief and then divide it by width. Next question है बेटे, question number 8 and 9 you can try. I am going to discuss about 10th question. If the diagonal of a square is made 1.5 times the other square, then find the ratio of the area of bigger square to the smaller square. Now it is question number 10 beta. इसमें what is given, it is all these things are given. It is given that side of smaller square मान लो x है, then its diagonal is root 2x. Whenever in case of square, whenever side is known, then its diagonal is under root 2 times of the side by Pythagoras theorem. Area of smaller square is what? Side square. Then it is given that the diagonal of larger square is 1.5 times the diagonal of smaller square. ठीक है, तो in this way, so therefore side of larger square, what is the side of larger square? If we have the diagonal of any square, then how can we find out the side? Side of that square is divide it by 2, divide by root 2, so it is what? 1.5x. So therefore area of larger square is equal to what? 1.5x whole square, that is what? 2.25 x square. Now area of, ratio of the area of both these square, the ratio of the area of both these square is what? Area of larger square, required ratio is what? Area of this larger square upon area of smaller square, this one, x square. This is what? 225 by 100. And what is it? Cut it by 25, 9 are 225, 9 by 4. That is 9 ratio 4 is the answer, 40. ठीक है, 25 9 are 225 और 25 4 are 100. So 9 by 4. This is. Next question है बेटे, question number 1 of the applying thoughts. Question number 11, try yourself. Area of a square is given, find the side of the square and then length of the diagonal, that is under root 2 into side. First question है B part B, question number 1, summative assessment. The area of two circular fields are in the ratio 16:99. Area of first circle is pi r 1 square, pi r square, and the radius of the second circular field is 14. So that is pi into 14 square. This is the area of first circular field upon area of second circular field, and it is given by 16/99. ठीक है, this area of two circular field is given, radius of second field is given, then what is the radius of first field, that we want to calculate. Solid बेटे, कैंसिल पाई टू पाई, ये कैंसिल करो, आर स्क्वेयर इज व्हाट 16/99 into 14 into 14 because it is 14 square. Then r will be what, square root of all this, 16 into 14 into 14 upon 99. It is what, 16 का अंडर रूट क्या होता है 4, 14 स्क्वेयर का अंडर रूट 14 अपॉन अंडर रूट 99 एंड अंडर रूट 99 इज 9 पॉइंट समथिंग. ठीक है, यू चेक इट, और द आंसर इज व्हाट, इट शुड बी 5.6 और 2 यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, 14 4 जा 56 अपॉन 9.98 ले लो अंडर रूट 99. दिस इज द summative assessment first question. So beta, we have completed up to question number 1 of summative assessment. Now 2 3 4 5 are left. All these we will complete in next class. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.